Aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. New chapter. These are also known as carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds. होता है क्या carbonyl? What is the carbonyl? Carbonyl is C double bond O. Is the carbonyl group. C double bond O. It is a carbonyl group. See the aldehydes here. C double bond O. H, one side hydrogen is there, one side at least one hydrogen is there, that is called aldehyde. C double bond O, both sides alkyl groups are there, ketone. Then C double bond O attached with OH is there, carboxylic acid. Here any R group. Okay. So this common point, this star common point, C double bond O, this one is the carbonyl. Sir, only these three are there carbonyls? No. All carboxylic acid derivatives also carbonyl compounds. Example, C double bond OCl, acid chloride बोलते, carbonyl chloride, acid chloride, esters, okay. Like this anhydride, these are also carbonyl. Simply carbonyl means just C double bond O containing compounds, carbonyl compounds. Right? Next. Same order we will discuss. Aldehyde first, aldehyde and ketones one topic, carboxylic acid next topic. Aldehyde and ketones से पहले aldehyde. Okay? Almost साथ में चलता है aldehyde and ketones. And in every chapter we will discuss first about functional group, later IUPAC, then preparation, then properties. Okay, properties के पहले physical properties, then chemical properties. Right. See the structure here. If I take aldehyde, I am taking one aldehyde CH3 C double bond OH. What is the hybridization of this? Sigma bonds. 1 sigma, 2 sigma, 3 sigma. It is a pi bond. Hybridization equal number of sigma bonds plus lone pair LP. I am talking about central atom. Carbon 3 sigma bonds, lone pair 0. Therefore, sp2 hybridization. sp2. ज्योमेट्री क्या होगा? sp2 मतलब ट्राइगोनल प्लेनार. Trigonal planar TP. So the structure is like this: C double bond O, one side hydrogen, one side methyl group. ये bond angle approximate 120 degrees. Okay, small variation होगा, approximate. I am talking क्योंकि sp2 trigonal planar था. Right. Next, polar. ये तो partially देखो pi bond loosely packed, more electronegative oxygen. Obviously, the pi bond electron move towards oxygen. So oxygen getting partially negative charge, carbon getting partially positive charge. Polarity is there. Polar molecules. Okay, polar molecule. Acetone is the polar solvent. Polar aprotic solvent. Starting में mechanism में discuss किया था. Polar aprotic. Aprotic means no hydrogens donating. लेकिन polar. Right. So this is the structure. Approximate 120 degrees and polarity is there. And one more thing. These cannot form hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond नहीं बना सकते. एक बार देखो इधर. CH3 C double bond OH. I am talking about aldehyde and ketones. Okay, one more aldehyde is there. CH3 C double bond O hydrogen. You may think about this hydrogen and oxygen. हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड के लिए क्या चाहिए? वन साइड हाइड्रोजन, अदर साइड फ्लोरीन, ऑक्सीजन, नाइट्रोजन। तो ठीक है, फर्स्ट पॉइंट तो क्लियर, हाइड्रोजन इज देयर वन साइड, अदर साइड ऑक्सीजन तो है। लेकिन कंडीशन सेकंड पॉइंट, द हाइड्रोजन शुड बी कनेक्टेड विथ मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम। देखो ये हाइड्रोजन था, राइट, दिस हाइड्रोजन शुड बी कनेक्टेड हियर, मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम होना चाहिए। किसके साथ था? कार्बन के साथ। हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड में आइदर इट मे बी कनेक्टेड विद नाइट्रोजन या फ्लोरीन या ऑक्सीजन, ये तीनों से होना चाहिए। तो इधर नहीं, सो रॉन्ग means no hydrogen bond, that is the thing. Okay, no hydrogen bond means obviously melting and boiling points are less, intermolecular force less, that's why compared to alcohol, aldehyde ketones showing less boiling points. You can observe easily that acetone nail polish remover hota hai, acetone like petrol type, it is evaporate at room temperature. अल्कोहल ऐसा नहीं है, अल्कोहल तो बॉटल में ही रखे तो चलेगा नॉर्मल, ऑलमोस्ट लुक्स लाइक वाटर। ओके, वाटर का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट 100 है, अल्कोहल का अराउंड 80। Okay, this is about structure. This much over. What you will write? 2 points. You write it. Keep the heading. Carbonyl group is C double bond O. ये remaining तो basic है. At least one hydrogen is there, aldehyde. Two sides. Alkyl group is there, ketone. नहीं लिखने का कुछ नहीं है. Hybridization. तो chemical bonding already you learned. कोई भी इतना लिखने वाला पॉइंट्स नहीं है. If you written already, it's okay, fine. Next, advantages या uses ये कहाँ होता है? These aldehydes एक बायोलॉजी स्टूडेंट्स का वेल नोन है, केमिस्ट बायोलॉजी लैब में होता है फॉर्मलिन करके, जनरली प्रिजर्वेटिव दैट कॉकरोचेस एंड लिजर्ड्स और सबको उसमें रखते हैं. एक लिक्विड होता है बॉटल्स में, ट्रांसपेरेंट बॉटल, सो दैट इज नथिंग बट formaldehyde. The liquid is formaldehyde. The formaldehyde, the body cannot decompose, that is diluted 40% या होता है, formalin बोलते हैं, formaldehyde. Next, aldehyde, the last chapter only, alcohol chapter, Bakelite. Have you written that? Polymer Bakelite switchboard में यूज करते हैं सर, लिखा था ना. Bakelite is the one polymer is forming. Again, it will come in the polymer chapter. But अभी learn करें तो काम होने वाला था. देखो वो तो 3 times होता है. एक बार alcohol chapter में आ गए था, अभी aldehyde chapter में, दूसरा polymer chapter में. क्या होता है Bakelite? Bakelite, where it is in the switchboard. Switchboard material is Bakelite. It's the composition of phenol and formaldehyde. Phenol and formaldehyde. एक sheet type बनते हैं, that is only. So exam में पूछते हैं what are the monomers of Bakelite? Phenol and formaldehyde. Polymer, ठीक है, Bakelite polymer composition of these two. Where it will use the switchboards. One of the exam, right? As well, these aldehydes, ketone में acetone is the best solvent. मतलब these carbonyl compound used in the as a solvents, as so many chemicals we can prepare. That means drugs we can prepare. aldehyde acylation करें तो aspirin tablet, phenol का किया ना, salicylic acid. Salicylic acid में क्या किया था? acylation किया था. ठीक है, acylation मतलब क्या है? तो pharmyl group या acetyl group. So that means we can prepare in the drugs. We can use in the drugs preparation as solvents. We can use as well. This smell, odor is very pleasant. अच्छा होता है, वो परफ्यूम्स में भी यूज करते हैं, परफ्यूम्स. ओके, aromatic, aroma smell. Okay, as well these are used in the solvents, drugs, medicine preparation, all. Okay, nice. Nomenclature. Nomenclature. First I'm taking aldehyde. ये starting two compounds का common name is very very important because many times asking formaldehyde, formalin, these words are comes. So if you don't know formaldehyde means, then again you cannot solve the question. The first compound, that is formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. देखो common name में maximum functional group name will repeat. Okay, formaldehyde. What it is common name? इसका IUPAC क्या होगा? IUPAC is a very simple. इसका कुछ स्ट्रक्चर है, वही फॉलो करना है. IUPAC एक कार्बन को बोलते हैं मीथ. Functional group is there aldehyde. Aldehyde means starting two letters. Al is the suffix. Okay. सब single bonds. Alkane. देखो मीथ, single bond ane, मीथ plus ane plus al. So final structure name methanol. Methanol in ale. Methanol. Okay. Then second CH3 C double bond OH. Common name is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. देखो कॉमन नेम कहां से आता है? वो कॉमन नेम IUPAC है तो सिंपल है. टू कार्बन्स आर देयर, eth, ane, all, ethanol. अभी वन भी देने का जरूरत नहीं बिकॉज वो कहाँ है तो वही वन है. ठीक है. Formaldehyde and acetaldehyde, these names are coming derived from a source. Source क्या था? Formaldehyde, the formica means ant related acid is formic acid. So the carboxylic acid. From carboxylic acid, this name similar compounds. Formic acid, see HCOOH is the formic acid. Formic acid means the acid which came from ants. Ants Greek language में बोलते हैं. वो formica means ant releasing acid, formic acid. The structure is similar, just एक oxygen कम था. Okay, formaldehyde. Then acetaldehyde, acetic acid. From acetic acid, ये acetaldehyde. Sir acidic क्यों? It is acetum plants, plant extraction. Acetum plants, वो भी Greek, Germany, Greek languages. So mainly the common name is derived from the sources. Okay, IUPAC तो fixed है. It has some rules. Next, one more carbon is there. Suppose third carbon onwards normal होता है. Common name में aldehyde functional group name will come, that is a propionaldehyde. Propionaldehyde is similar. Propionaldehyde. Here propanol. Okay. Now every time one al, it's not required because here functional group always it will come where the functional group is there only number one it will come, and it never comes as a two al. वो बीच में आ गया तो कीटोन होता है, aldehyde never. Okay. Next here important, 4 carbons है तो butyraldehyde, butanol. It's not much difference, but 5 carbons are there. 5 carbons are there. CH3 C double bond OH. Now total 5 carbons are there. It is common name is valeraldehyde. 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 एक नेम याद रखना है. Valeraldehyde. IUPAC 5 carbons are there means pentane or pentanol. Okay, remember this fifth one. Dialdehyde. Two functional groups are there. Suppose two functional groups. Common name glyoxal. Glyoxal. ये alcohol है तो CH2OH CH2OH. If it is alcohol, that is called glycol. Glycol. अभी glyoxal. Okay. IUPAC name 1, 2. So ethane. Only 2 carbons are there. Ethane 1, 2 diol. 1, 2 diol. Okay. C double bond OH, HOH and CH2OH. ये कॉमन नेम है ग्लिसरॉल्डिहाइड. ग्लिसरॉल्डिहाइड. Glyceraldehyde. Okay. Next, functional groups. Now, इसका नाम क्या देना है? If you take the long chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-member chain is there, but if you give the number into first and last functional group, what about the middle functional group? That functional group is missing. Then what you will do? What is the name of this compound? Can you guess it? This compound name. How many carbons chain, long chain we have to take? 3 carbons or 5 carbons? 3 carbon chain we have to take. So here we are giving same equal preference to all. That's why I will take the numbering from here. 1, 2, 3. सबको equal preference देना है. Maximum will try. Suppose some cases it's not possible. Suppose here CH2 CHO TK CH. Here CH2 CHO is there. CH2 CH2. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it is not possible. Now it's not possible. Okay. So here possibility is there. That's why I'm taking. Now it is 3 carbon chain. So propane. Propane 1, 2, 3. Whenever functional group is not involved in the long chain, that time it is called carbaldehyde. Carbaldehyde. So name is propane. Propane. Last E also you have to write it. Propane 1, 2, 3 try. बहुत लोग इधर try भूल जाते हैं. 1, 2, 3 they will write. They will forget try. Sometimes they will write try but they don't write 1, 2, 3. You need to write both. 1, 2, 3 ट्राई कार्बाल्डिहाइड. Right. Here, anyone can tell this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Two compounds are given. 2-methylidene butanol. और कुछ बाकी था. 2, 3 wrong. Dimethylidene फिर भी wrong है. See, why you are giving number 4 here? Why not here? Purva, you are giving number here. You should not. डबल बॉन्ड को ज्यादा प्रेफरेंस देना है, अप जाना है नंबर. शिवानी 3-methyl, okay, done. 2-methylene, okay. But 4-enol. Again शिवानी, simple mistake, blunder mistake कर रहे तुम लोग. Everything fine, लेकिन 4-en नहीं है वो, 3-en, yes. 3-en, नंबर कहां से शुरू हो रहा है, डबल बॉन्ड कहां से शुरू हो रहा है, वो तो देना है. You written perfect, but simple mistake, okay? Right. 3-methyl. See, the long chain हो गया इतना तक long chain हो गया. Here CH2 is there, here CH3 is there, here also CH2. Right. थर्ड पोजीशन में मिथाइल, सेकंड पोजीशन में मिथिलिडीन या मिथिलीन चलेगा. मिथिलिडीन या 2-methylene या both are correct only. 2-methylene, 3-methylene. 2-methyl, alphabetical order में methyl will come first, okay. 3-methyl, 2-methylidene या methylene, butanol first of all, butanol, लेकिन 4-en, not 4, 3-en, 3-en, 1-ol, 1-al, 3-en, 1-ol. 3-en-all भी लिख सकते, 3-en-1-all भी लिख सकते. ठीक है, all means कभी भी नंबर 1 पे होगा, फिर भी if you write it's a better 3-en-1-all. If you write only 3-en-all, that is also correct. Yes, this one. What is the long chain here? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Number एक extra carbon 6. Okay. Now, so hexanone, 4-en, 4-methyl ऐसा कुछ है. थर्ड पोजीशन में ये था, थर्ड पोजीशन. What is this? 1 dash, 2 dash. Number again we have to give. Branch में branch. Okay. So 4-methyl एक था. Third में ethyl. Obviously it will come first. 3 bracket start. Whenever the side chain again branching is there, you need to give numbering again. Then this branched substitution you should write in the bracket. Third position 2 carbon chain is there, ethyl, लेकिन 1 hydroxy वो भी 1 नहीं है, 1 dash वाला. ठीक है, 1 डैश हाइड्रोक्सी इथाइल, 2 कार्बन है ना, इथाइल हाइड्रोक्सी 1 डैश हाइड्रोक्सी इथाइल, ब्रैकेट क्लोज, थर्ड का हो गया। देन 4 methyl, then total hex 6 carbons, hex 4 in 2 on। देखो on के पहले 2 कंपल्सरी लिखना है, बिकॉज कीटोन इट may be present anywhere, that's why 2 you should represent, ketone case में where is the functional group you should represent। 3 1 dash hydroxy ethyl 4 methyl hex 4 in 2 on। नेक्स्ट मैक्सिमम aldehyde का हो गया। नेक्स्ट कीटोन, few ketones, मिथाइल दोनों साइड, कॉमन नेम एसीटोन, another name is there dimethyl ketone, dimethyl ketone, ketone means this middle C double bond O group is there, dimethyl 2 methyls are there, that's why dimethyl ketone। IUPAC name propanone, propane 2 on, both are okay। One side methyl, other side is isopropyl, then MnOP, methyl isopropyl ketone, methyl one side, isopropyl another side, ketone। In case of IUPAC you need to give the numbering 1 2 3 4, ठीक है चलेगा 1 2 3 4, ब्यूटानोन, लेकिन थर्ड पोजीशन में मिथाइल 3 मिथाइल, butane, write it full, butane 2 on। Now you remove this E, butane 2 on, right? Okay, next aromatic compounds names, 2 compounds important है, C double bond OCH3, acetophenone, then benzophenone, 2 benzenics बीच में कीटोन ग्रुप, benzophenone, acetophenone and benzophenone। And one is aldehyde में C double bond OH, C double bond OH. ये कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड है तो टॉलिक एसिड होता है, टॉलिक एसिड. अभी CHO साइड बाय साइड इज देयर, इसका बोलते हैं टॉल्डिहाइड. Benzene 1,2 dicarbaldehyde is the IUPAC name. Taldehyde is the common name. ये PH is the silent taldehyde. Taldehyde. COH is the tolic acid. Okay, tolic acid, tolamide, tolic anhydride, many compounds are there. Okay, right. Taldehyde. Okay, आगे. IUPAC name benzene 1,2 dicarbaldehyde. Benzene 1,2 dicarbaldehyde. Note down this. See, these are important. नेक्स्ट एक इंपॉर्टेंट नेम है CH2 double bond CH, C double bond OH. It is nothing but vinyl aldehyde. Common name is vinyl aldehyde. और दूसरा नाम है वो फेमस है एक्रोलिन. एक्रोलिन, एक्रिलिक एसिड, एक्रोलिन ऐसा होता है. एक्रोलिन, विनाइल, विनाइल ऑल्डिहाइड को दूसरा नाम है एक्रोलिन. नेक्स्ट फ्यू मोर इंपॉर्टेंट. सॉलिसिलॉल्डिहाइड, ये तो प्रोडक्ट्स में आ गए था ऑलरेडी. सॉलिसिलॉल्डिहाइड, ऑर्थो हाइड्रोक्सी बेंजोल्डिहाइड. सॉलिसिलॉल्डिहाइड, इधर COH है तो सॉलिसिलिक एसिड, सॉलिसिलॉल्डिहाइड. दूसरा सिन्नामाल्डिहाइड, सिन्नामाल्डिहाइड. एनसीईआरटी में कितना एग्जांपल्स दिया है वो सब तो इंपॉर्टेंट है. डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली पूछने का चांसेस रहता है. सिन्नामाल्डिहाइड, एक तीसरा है वैनिलिन. ये वेनिला आइसक्रीम्स में यूज करते हैं. vanillin. CHO, OH, OCH. Vanilla ice cream essence. Okay. फॉर्माल्डिहाइड को सबस्टेंट में है तो फॉर्माइड बोलते हैं. आल्डिहाइड का फंक्शन ग्रुप एज ए substituent formaldehyde we written, right? One more example you can see. CHO. Okay, this name. From where you will start the numbering? What is the long chain here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-membered or 5-membered ring? Which is the longest chain in this? 4 carbon or 5 carbon? Long chain in this 5 carbon. Functional group should get number 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons. Functional group कभी भी number 1 main functional group. और functional group में main functional group वो भी the functional group which has carbon. ठीक है. terminal functional groups होता है. Suppose इधर ये आ गए, इसमें लॉन्ग चेन क्या होगा? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 या 6. In the second one, here it is first. Here it is second. In the first one, 4 carbons chain. In the second one, how many carbons in the long chain? 6 carbons. Is that correct? Okay. So in this case, numbering we will start from one end to another end. Numbering कभी भी one terminal से another terminal. Terminal में functional group नहीं है. हाँ, of course this C double bond should get lowest number. Numbering should start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here the main functional group. Terminal में suppose functional group है तो you had to give first preference to functional group. 1, 2. Then decide left or right. Right में functional group is there. Go right. 3, 4. Right. What is the name? First one. Butane 1-all है ना? Butane 1-all. लेकिन substitutions butane में last e remove it. Butane 1-all और butanol. Second position में ethyl. Third position में oxo. कीटोन का substitution oxo. So ethyl and oxo में ethyl will come. So 2 ethyl, 3 oxo, butane 1-all. 3 ethyl, 2 ethyl, 3 oxo, butane 1-all. It is a name. Second, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So hexane trione. Hexane trione. Remove this. Hexane trione. Hexane trione. Okay, almost nomenclature maximum I covered. Next, preparations. Half an hour is there. First one, by oxidation of alcohols. लास्ट चैप्टर का केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज, ये चैप्टर का हो गया प्रिपरेशंस. सो सिंपली एनसीईआरटी टेक्स्ट बुक में दे गिवन दैट रेफर alcohols. Shall we write like that? हम तो डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस इक्वेशंस लिखते हैं. By oxidation of alcohols, primary alcohols CH2OH, primary alcohols, the reagent one is PCC, another one PDC, copper 300 degrees Celsius. Okay, in all these three cases you will get aldehyde or C double bond OH. It is the oxidation, है ना? Removal of two hydrogen, that is oxidation. Primary alcohol is giving aldehyde. Primary alcohol is giving aldehyde. Next, secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols. Here PCC, PDC common. Copper, the with ठीक है. Copper 300 degrees Celsius. Extra H2CrO4 also we can use. It is not stronger oxidizing agent. ठीक है. Better. It's not like HDKMnO4, but almost relevant. That's why here it is forming ketone. इसमें एडवांटेज क्या है? कीटोन फर्दरली कैनॉट गेट ऑक्सीडेशन. Here this hydrogen is very sensitive hydrogen. Okay, in this case if you use any mild oxidizing agent, it becomes carboxylic acid, but here there is no problem. Okay, that's why here PCC, PDC, copper 300 only, but here extra H2CrO4 came, strong oxidizing agent compared to these three, that is strong oxidizing agent. Next, tertiary alcohols. 3 degree alcohols. tertiary alcohols. I cannot use here PCC PDC. We cannot use PCC PDC and कुछ नहीं aldehyde तो नहीं आएगा. No, we cannot prepare any aldehyde and ketone from tertiary alcohols. Okay. Suppose if you use PCC PDC, however, there is no reaction. If you use copper 300 degrees Celsius, you will get alkene. But it is not relevant to this chapter, that's why I am not writing. Already we written in the alcohol chapter. Okay, next. Next, from alkenes. How can you prepare from alkenes? Any idea? Class 11th. From alkenes. The reaction mechanism, I explained you the reagents type from alkenes are CH2 double bond or CH double bond CH2. If I do that ozonolysis first step, the second step zinc peroxide H2O2. Yeah. Zinc and OH minus. See here, very simple in the ozonolysis. This double bond will break up. Put the oxygen right side and the left side. This is the final product. Or see, hydrogen is there. This double bond O plus here carbon is there. This carbon attached to two hydrogens. It is connected with the double bond O. A formaldehyde, कुछ दूसरा aldehyde. Formaldehyde and another aldehyde. Okay, here I am taking some more examples. तो aldehyde बन गया. Ketone कैसे बनेगा? CH3, CH double bond, CH3. Then same things. Yes, you cut it. Symmetrical है. That means 2 moles CH3 carbon hydrogen double bond O. That means acetaldehyde is forming. Okay, now I am giving one question. Yes, you write the product and IUPAC name of the product. IUPAC name of the product. This one. Dehydration, addition of water. Last question, is it visible? Write the product. So from alkenes over from this. Then I will start from alkynes. From alkynes. Yes, everyone try this last one. Write the product as well. IUPAC is the name of the product. Wrong है तो कोई बात नहीं, but you have to write. 2-methyl 6-hexoheptanol. ठीक है, पता नहीं, मैं कभी देखता हूँ कैसे है, बस इतना ही कट करना है. The methyl down here, carbon is there, right side C double bond H, left side carbon down cross, next here it is ketone. Okay, now give the numbering. From where you will give the numbering? Number 1, already the number 1, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Heptanol, actually in the heptanol 2-methyl 6-oxo. So 2-methyl 6-oxo heptanol. Two methyl 6-oxo heptanol. Very good, Pooja, Purva. Yes, right. Done. Okay. Next topic is from alkynes. From alkynes. From alkynes. I'm taking CH3, C triple bond CH. Okay. Now addition of water. I will do addition of water. What is the reagent for addition of water? Diluted H2SO4 and HgSO4, mercuric sulfate. So addition of water, HgSO4 and H2SO4, both diluted. There are two types of mechanism we can give. CH3 C double bond CH. Where the OH will join and where the H will join. According to Markovnikov rule, where the less hydrogens are there, their negative particle is attacking. That means OH and hydrogen. Now, here two types we can write the product. See, one is keto-enol tautomerism type. So this sigma bond is coming there, then this pi bond is shifted here. It is getting negative charge. This H plus will join here. So resonance. CH3 C double bond O, single bond. Already two hydrogens are there. One more hydrogen came. Okay, finally ketone ban gaya, ketone, acetone. If you don't know, suppose this type of rearrangement, you can do one more thing. Here already one addition of water done. You do one more addition of water because one more pi bond is there. Now CH3 COH CH, same thing I written. Next pi bond is shifting, breaking. So obviously here hydrogen, here OH. Now what will happen? This OH the sigma bond is shifting here. Here OH is releasing. We know that on same carbon, two OH groups are there, that is unstable, releasing one water molecule. Right? OH to come here. Here H plus, here OH minus releasing as a water molecule, then again getting same product. Okay, which you understood, you can follow that step, right? अब इसमें तो कीटोन बन गए सर, aldehyde we can make it, देखते हैं aldehyde भी कर सकते हैं. Suppose if you take only acetylene, CH triple bond CH, then addition of water H2O, then you can do 2 times. Yeah, mechanism you can follow any one of the mechanism. Here hydrogen, here OH, then ketoenol, then pi bond is shifted here, negative, this hydrogen joining with this carbon. Already 2 hydrogens. Now third hydrogen is coming from there. This is the third hydrogen I am writing. Now here double bond OH. That means acetaldehyde band. Acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. Formaldehyde never forms because alkyne means minimum to 2 carbon. Okay, 1 carbon we cannot make it. Right. Acetaldehyde. That is acetone or आगे continue. Okay, all kinds also done. Next, from acyl chloride, from understood everyone? Note down fast. Minutes is there. Okay. If you learn IUPAC named reactions, वो named reactions में देखो ये chapter maximum named reactions. It has many named reactions. So if you learn named reactions, 50% of the chapter will get over. Itna hai, maximum named reactions are there in this. Now keep that from acyl chloride. From acyl chloride. Benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride reaction with hydrogen. Reaction with hydrogen. See here, reaction with hydrogen. What is the reagent? Palladium barium sulfate. Palladium barium sulfate. Palladium barium sulfate. It is giving benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. It is a named reaction, Rosenmund reaction. It is also known as Rosenmund reaction. Rosenmund reaction. Okay, ये name and रिएक्टेंट प्रोडक्ट को लिंक करना है, दैट्स अप टू यू. Next, from nitriles. नाइट्राइल्स क्या होता है? नाइट्राइल्स फंक्शनल ग्रुप याद है? नाइट्राइल्स आर नथिंग बट साइनाइड्स. RC triple bond N, cyanides. The cyanides you do partial hydrogenation. मतलब हाइड्रोजन लेना. So the reagent is SnCl2 plus HCl. If you take SnCl2 and HCl, automatically partial hydrogenation होगा. It is forming RCH double bond NH. It is forming imine. Amine क्या होता है? RNH2 is the amine. This is the amine. Double bond है तो imine. Then do that hydrolysis H3O plus. Whenever you are doing hydrolysis, addition of water molecule takes place. That means H and OH. Where the OH will join, देखो partially negative, partially positive. Positive के साथ कौन जाएगा? OH. Negative के साथ hydrogen. Similar 2 times OH. Here also hydrogen bond completely break. So the product is here RCH, 2 OH groups plus NH3. These 2 OH groups unstable. So RC double bond OH, aldehyde is forming. Okay, aldehyde is forming. Directly you can write, no need to write every time this step. Okay, for understanding only I am writing. So you can write it directly, this product H3O plus. You can write direct product. Okay, from nitriles, this is the one reaction. This is also called Stephen reaction. This is known as Stephen reaction. Okay, each and every, ये तो पहले रोजनमैन reaction, carbonyl chloride या acid chloride, cyanide, Stephen. वो स्टीफन है, वो साइनाइड खा के मर जाते. कोई भी स्टोरी बनाओ फिर याद रखना है, ठीक है? नेक्स्ट, ए साइनाइड से one more reaction is there, diol. What is the diol full name? Anyone can write in the message. Diol. Diisobutyl
Aluminium hydride.
Very good. Aluminium hydride. Diol. ये स्पेसिफिक रिएजेंट है. रिएजेंट्स में ऑलरेडी भी डिस्कस. एक ईस्टर को अल्डिहाइड बनाते और हायर टेम्परेचर में अल्कोहल तक रेड्यूस होता है, और साइनाइड से अल्डिहाइड डाइबॉल. So RCN is react with diol, it is giving RCHO. So you can write the structure, one side hydrogen, two side isobutyl. isobutyl, isopropane होता है या isobutane होता है, ठीक है, isobutane two times. You can write it otherwise, CH2, CH3, CH3. बीच में कार्बन 1 2 3 4, ये isobutyl. Diisobutyl aluminium, it is hydride. This is the structure. See the cyanide to aldehyde. Next, and one more reaction is there from the cyanide to aldehyde. Ketone बना सकते हैं. The all cyanides came, that's why I'm writing together. Cyanide, C triple bond N. If I take Grignard reagent, methyl magnesium bromide, इसमें नाइट्रोजन नेगेटिव, कार्बन पॉजिटिव, RMGX में R minus MgR plus this alkyl group where it will join with carbon, right? Remaining part with nitrogen. So R C methyl double bond N. N is negative charge, MgBr positive charge. Okay, there is no living group here. That's why next step we will do hydrolysis. Next step we will do hydrolysis. अभी तो चेक किया था हाइड्रोजन OH. Two OH groups are there. Furtherly C double bond. So just you can cut it. देखो H2O है ना, ऑक्सीजन वाटर, right? Oxygen can form two bonds. So oxygen carbon को दे दो, हाइड्रोजन नाइट्रोजन को दे दो बस. और C double bond O CH3. The ketone. Cyanide reaction with the Grignard reagent forming ketone diol से aldehyde and Stephen से भी aldehyde. Next, from toluene, from hydrocarbons, aromatic hydrocarbons 54 time. Okay. From hydrocarbons. Then aromatic we are taking. Toluene. See here, toluene या ethyl benzene, कोई भी ले लो. Toluene या ethyl benzene. If you take whatever, In these both cases, you will get the reagent is chromyl chloride, CrO2 Cl2, chromyl chloride, chromyl chloride. The solvent is CS2, carbon disulfide. Here we are getting benzaldehyde. We are getting benzaldehyde. Whatever number of carbons are there, the first carbon should contain one hydrogen. Instead of that, I will give one example here. Okay, 3 methyls. Matlab here there is no hydrogen. If you take reagent, no reaction. No reaction. Since no benzyl hydrogen. No benzyl hydrogen. This carbon is benzyl carbon. उसमें कोई भी हाइड्रोजन नहीं. That's it. Okay, and one more different way. Written this one. Not done fast. Done. Acha. This is known as Ithod reaction. Name reaction are it is Ithod reaction. Ithod reaction. This is known as, or this reaction is known as Ithod reaction. Okay. Same reactant CH3. Instead of chromyl chloride, we can take chromic oxide CrO3 plus acetic anhydride. If you take acetic anhydride AC2O, then also we are getting same product. लेकिन ये इटाड नहीं है, ऊपर वाला इटाड होता है. And one more method, toluene is there. I am doing the chlorination in the presence of light, HNO. Then क्या होता है? Chlorination will take place outside chain, on outside chain. Okay. Then I am doing aqueous KOH. Aqueous KOH. So सीधा ये तो product लिख सकते हैं. क्योंकि 2 times OH will come. The 2 OH groups unstable, removing water molecule, forming aldehyde. Next, from benzene. Keep the heading from benzene. In the bracket you write name of the reaction, Gutterman-Koch. Gutterman-Koch. Gutterman-Koch reaction. This name came already. Gutterman reaction था. Gutterman कोच नहीं उस टाइम में. Only Gutterman reaction and Sandmeyer reaction. Two reactions are there, almost same. Reactant and product. Catalyst is different. Now Gutterman coach. This coach Gutterman reaction क्या था? Benzene diazonium chloride to chlorobenzene and bromobenzene. Now here coach is there. In the coach, one hint is there. ये aldehyde preparation. OCH या CHO. Okay. थोड़ा hint तो link करना है बस. Right. So what are the reactant? Reactant will take benzene से benzaldehyde चाहिए ना. मतलब एक कार्बन भी चाहिए as well oxygen and H. So generally we'll take carbon monoxide comma HCl we will take. Okay. Now this carbon should substitute on the benzene ring. That's why Friedel-Crafts reagent is required. Anhydrous AlCl3. Anhydrous AlCl3. कभी भी बेंजीन रिंग पे सब्स्टिट्यूशन होने के लिए we need to take aluminum chloride Lewis acid. It will generate electrophile. Okay, एक step लिखते electrophile generation E plus. देखो aluminum chloride, what it will take? Aluminum chloride reaction with HCl forming aluminum tetrachloride minus H plus. Then here carbon monoxide is there. The carbon monoxide, oxygen plus carbon minus, react with H plus. H plus means obviously it is attacking on the carbon. So H carbon, then double bond O. Okay, this is the electrophile. This electrophile now attacking on the benzene ring. First, so aldehyde ring. Okay, right. Third reaction over Gutterman coach, Grignard. Okay, so almost done. Two more reactions are there. Textbook का तो हो गया, but in the material two more questions are there. Shall I give now? Two reactions are there. Write it. The preparation खत्म हो जाएगी. Okay. One is from acylation. Another one is dialkyl cadmium. Okay. Note it down over this one. Next, benzene by acylation. Here all reactions already came. Acylation. CH3 C double bond O Cl. Acyl group. In the presence of aluminum chloride, anhydrous aluminum chloride, the acyl group is substituting on the benzene ring. So acetophenone C double bond O CH3. Just like alkylation, it is acylation. Right? Next. When acid chloride is there, RC double bond OCl. See here two reactions as hoga. One is methyl magnesium bromide. One is dimethyl cadmium. Dimethyl cadmium. दोनों में difference ये था. If you take here RC, two times methyl group will substitute and forming alcohol, tertiary alcohol. in case of Grignard reagent. But in case of dialkyl cadmium, only one time the reaction takes place. क्लोरीन को हटाते वो मिथाइल सल्फेट होगा, कीटोन. Okay, this is the variation dialkyl cadmium and Grignard reagent. Okay, preparations over. Properties. The next class you can see. Read the textbook. Okay, here named reactions, maximum named reactions are there in the acylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation. Okay, tomorrow I will ask how many questions done. Okay, a chapter, before completing this chapter you had to complete, means by Saturday everyone you need to complete named reactions. Plan it according to that. Okay, bye.